Your training is going well.
It's the Hive, and they've taken the other Titans hostage. I have to go.
But you're not ready.
My friends.
I said you're not ready. Never mind then, you're ready. Now go on. Save your friends.
Our super secret weapon is finally complete. Say goodbye, Titans!
What do we have here? Death laser. So that's what you're up to.
Get him!
She taught you her secrets.
Oh, yeah! Whistle while you work, kid!
I've got you now, Robin!
Ah!
You guys are going nowhere.
Oh, yeah? You forgot you're talking to an indoor rodeo champion!